This code is a JavaScript function designed to inject the content script into the currently active tab in a Google Chrome browser extension. Content scripts are JavaScript.
This code is a JavaScript function designed to inject a content script into the currently active tab in a Google Chrome browser extension. Content scripts are JavaScript files that run in the context of web pages visited by the user. Here's a breakdown of what the code does. Const injectScript equals async equals, this declares a function named injectScript. The function is defined using the async keyword, indicating that it returns a promise that resolves with the result of the function. Const tab equals await chrome.tabs.query, currentWindow, true, active, true. This line queries the Chrome browser tabs to get information about the currently active tab in the current window. The chrome.tabs.query function is asynchronous and returns a promise. It resolves with an array of tabs that match the query criteria. In this case, currentWindow, true, active, true, specifies that we want the active tab in the current window. The array destructuring syntax, tab, is used to extract the first, and presumably only, tab from the array. Console.log, tab.id. This line logs the ID of the active tab to the console. This is likely for debugging purposes to ensure that the correct tab is being targeted. chrome.scripting.executeScript. This is a Chrome extension API function used to execute a content script in the specified tab. Target, tabId, tab.id, allFrames, true. This specifies the target tab ID where the script will be injected. Tab.id is the ID of the active tab obtained earlier. allFrames, true, indicates that the script should be injected into all frames of the tab. Files, src, pages, contentUI, index.js. This specifies the file or files containing the content script to be injected into the tab. In this case, it's injecting a script located at src, pages, contentUI, index.js. The purpose of this code is to dynamically inject a content script into the currently active tab of the Chrome browser when the injectScript function is called. This allows the extension to interact with and modify the content of web pages visited by the user. To use this code, make sure you have a Chrome extension set up with the appropriate permissions to access tabs and execute scripts. Call the injectScript function when needed within your extension's background script or pop-up script to inject the content script into the active tab.